What's going on, guys? It's your boy 𝗙𝗵𝗹𝗍 and welcome back to another video on the channel. So today I want to ask you a question. Would you like to learn how to make $100 per day from your online business? Now think about this. What would an extra $100 per day do for you, your family, and your lifestyle? You see, $100 per day is basically $3,000 per month or $36,000 per year. Now, while that is not a ton of money, it's still not too shabby. So the question though is, how do you make $100 per day online with your online business? Well, that is exactly what we're going to discuss in this training today. So stay tuned. Hey guys, again it's 𝗙𝗵𝗹𝗍 here. And in this video, I'm going to share my exact blueprint to take you from zero to start making money online in the fastest amount of time possible. By the way, I've written a detailed step-by-step article on my blog at 𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗏 that take this training to the next level. So if you're a person who will learn better from reading, then check out the link in the description so you can check out that blog post. Also, before I get into the meat of this video, if you can just do me a favor and smash that like button, click on the subscribe button, and also click on the bell icon notification so that you get notified whenever I release a brand new training just for you. So this is a small YouTube channel I'm trying to grow, and I'm depending on you guys to help me out. I really appreciate your kindness, and enough chit chat, let's get into the video. So how to make $100 per day online with your online business? Well, again, if you've been on my channel for any period of time, then you know that I do love affiliate marketing. And so that is exactly what we're going to discuss in this video. Affiliate marketing. And what is affiliate marketing? Well, in simple terms, affiliate marketing is basically referral marketing. In other words, you get paid for referring customers to products that you do not own. If you join an affiliate program, you'll get a unique link for a specific product, and you can then share this link, and whenever persons buy the product's real link, you automatically get a commission. And that's basically the gist of affiliate marketing. But how do you get this to work seamlessly? Well, let's get into that. So I've broken down this training into a few different steps, and the first step is that you must find a niche to serve. For starters, you can start with something that you're already passionate about or you are willing to learn about yourself. But if you're finding it hard to find a niche, then what you can do is to focus on one of the top 3 markets and then narrow it down from there. For example, you could get into health and fitness, or the relationship niche, or even the money and finance niche. So it is important that you choose a niche that contains people who have a burning problem and are willing to pay for the solution to whatever problem they're having. Now, there are a lot of steps involved in finding a niche, and that is beyond the scope of this video. But if you want to take your training or your learning to the next level, check out the link in the description to my training course on how to find the perfect niche that you will be passionate about and at the same time making money from that niche. So again, you can check out the links in the description for that training. Now, once you've found your niche, the second step is to create a system. For this specific video, our objective is to have a system that you can use to generate at least $100 per day from affiliate marketing. And this could mean generating 1 to 3 sales per day. And one of the fastest and easiest way to do that is with an affiliate sales funnel. Let's talk about the sales funnel for a minute, why you need one and how to set it up. So let me give you a real life scenario. Let's say, for example, you have a car and you're changing the oil. Well, the easiest and smartest thing to do would be to use a physical funnel to direct the liquid in the car. And this would ensure that maximum amount of the oil enters the car instead of being wasted or worse, going somewhere that it shouldn't. Well, it is pretty much the same thing with an online marketing funnel. So the funnel is used to direct your audience down a path without them bouncing around or going somewhere else, or worse, going to your competition to buy the products that they are seeking. You see, as humans, we are easily distracted, and I recently read an article that humans are competing with the goldfish for who have the shortest attention span. Now, that is not good, considering that the attention span of the goldfish is just 7 seconds. So I said all of that to say that you don't want your audience to be bouncing around on a website. You need them to take specific actions. If you don't direct your audience down a specific path where they should go, then they are going to be bouncing around on your website, or worse, they may go to your competitor's website and buy the products that they're seeking. Furthermore, here's something really interesting. If you were to send 100 persons to a web page, chances are 1 to 3% of them will buy. Now, if you look at the reverse, that simply means that 97 to 99% of these people will not take any action and will just leave. So you miss out on 97% of people who could become potential customers. Now the affiliate sales funnel can actually help you to boost your conversion rates exponentially. And here's how. So the affiliate sales funnel consists of 3 main parts. So you have a lead capture page, you have a bridge upsell page, and then you also have a email follow-up section of the funnel. And this is where you communicate with your email subscribers via email. So let's first look at the squeeze page. Unlike traditional websites that has a ton of content and links all over the place, a squeeze page has one main objective, and that is to get your audience to submit their contact information for something free which is of value to them. That's basically they can either sign up or they leave. So your objective is really to give away something of value to your potential audience for free, but in order to receive that gift, they have to enter their name and email address on your landing page in order to receive that free gift. Now the good thing about this is that practically everyone loves something for free, especially when it is valuable to them. And because this requirement is just an email address or their name and email address, about 30 to 70% of your audience will submit their information in order to receive this free gift. So you may be wondering, why would you want to collect an email address instead of sending your visitor to the affiliate landing page in order to make a sale right away? Well, remember I told you before that if you send 100 visitors to the merchant website, maybe if you're good, 1 to 3 will buy out of every 100. That simply means that 97 to 99% of the people who visit the merchant website won't take any action. However, in this case, we are thinking long term because you want to be a successful affiliate. So you have to have a vision. Because if you think about it, if you try to make 1 to 3 sales for every 100 visitors, you're losing out big time. But now you have 30 to 70% of people entering their name and email address on your landing page, and you're capturing their contact details, which is stored in your autoresponder. So your autoresponder have a database of all the people who are interested in whatever niche that you're in, and now you have the ability to communicate with these people on a regular basis. Now, whether or not they buy the product right away, you'll have an opportunity to send follow-up emails to remind them about the product. Plus, since you have their email addresses, you have the opportunity to offer tremendous amount of value to these subscribers and build trust over time, which also gives you the opportunity to recommend other affiliate products. So now, instead of just recommending one product to the visitor, you can recommend a ton of different affiliate products and make more money from your subscribers over time. And that is how you build a successful online business. To give you an example, I've been marketing online for over a decade. And from the time I started building my list a few years ago, I still have subscribers who buy products that I recommend up to this day, who have signed up to my email list several years ago. So that's the power of building an email list that you can recommend products over and over to your subscribers instead of just trying to make a one-off sale right away. So you have to think long-term and have a vision of what you want your business to be in the future. Remember, if you send a visitor to the merchant website right away, you may make one commission, but that customer is gone forever. But if you build your list, these people can buy products you recommend over and over. Plus, in the long term, if you decide to launch your own product, you have an audience that you can launch your product to instead of wondering what to do or how to get people to buy your product. Okay, so that's basically the gist of setting up an affiliate sales funnel. But that's not all there is to the affiliate sales funnel. Let's talk about how to promote your affiliate products without being pushy and salesy and without being unethical and scammy. Which brings us to the second page of your affiliate sales funnel, which is the bridged upsell page. You see, most of the sales you generate online will be coming from the emails that you send to your subscriber after you build trust and they get to like you and take you up on your recommendations. But remember I told you that if you were to send the visitors to the merchant website right away, approximately 1 to 3% would buy the product. Those persons who would buy the product initially, they still would buy the product after subscribing to your email list if you make them an offer. And this is where the bridge upsell page come in. So after you capture your audience's information, their name and email address, you should direct them to a bridge upsell page where you get to introduce yourself to them. Let them know who you are, tell them about the product you are recommending, why they should buy it, and how this product will help them. Now you also want to remind them about the free gift that you promised them and let them know that they can access that gift by checking their email address. But just before they check their email address, you have a special offer that they can get access to right away. And that special offer would be the product that you are recommending, which is the affiliate product. And again, the 1 to 3% who would buy if you made an offer right away will still take you upon this offer, and so you can make money right away from your bridge upsell page. Now, the beauty of the bridge upsell page is that if you are using paid traffic to build your email list, then the sales that you make from your bridge upsell page will practically cover the advertising cost. And if you're using free traffic, well, the sales you generate from your bridge upsell page will be purely profit. And yes, it is very important that you send your audience to a bridge upsell page instead of redirecting them to the affiliate product. And the reason for this is, if they sign up and then you redirect them to the affiliate product, then the product is going to request that they pay for the product. And they're going to feel as if they're cheated because you promised them a free gift. But on the bridge upsell page, you get to introduce yourself, you get to remind them that the free gift will be sent to their email address, and then you can make the offer of the affiliate product that you are promoting. So in summary of the bridge page, your job is basically to introduce yourself, let them know how they will be able to access the free gift that you promised, and then also pre-sell the affiliate product that you are promoting. Now, the third step of the affiliate sales funnel is in the follow-up. This is after people have submitted their name and email address to you. What do you do with these name and email addresses? Well, the first thing you have to do is remember that these are not just name and email addresses, but these are real people with emotions and have problems and desires, and you need to respect that. You need to treat them just as how you would want to be treated. So take care of these people and they will take care of you. This means don't send them scammer products. Don't push promotions after promotions down their throat. Offer value and only recommend high quality products that you know will help them to solve a certain problem that they are having. Okay, so far we have covered finding a niche. And after you find your niche, then you set up your affiliate sales funnel, which really consists of your lead capture page, your bridge upsell page, and the email follow-ups that you will be sending to your audience. And these email follow-ups is really content that offers value, and then every now and then you can send a promotion to your audience to promote an affiliate product. But that's not all there is to it. How do you get people to find your affiliate sales funnel? Well, it comes down to traffic, and not just traffic, but targeted traffic. Because if you don't have any traffic, nobody will be seeing your affiliate sales funnel. Nobody will be going onto your email list, and then nobody will be able to buy any product or service that you recommend. So traffic is really the key to making everything in your affiliate sales funnel work. Now, there are a ton of ways to drive traffic, but I recommend that you focus on your strengths, because everyone have different strengths and weaknesses. For example, if you're good at writing, then I would recommend that you start with blogging. Set up a blog and start blogging about topics that your potential audience would want to learn about. So you write content that attracts your ideal audience. These are people who would potentially buy the products or services that you're recommending. Now, if you're good at speaking, then you could start a podcast. If you're good at video, then you could start a YouTube channel. So it all have to do with your strength and your weaknesses. Don't try to do YouTube videos if you're not good at video. But if you're good at writing, start with writing. Later down the line, you can branch off into a different marketing method. So if you're good at video, start with YouTube and max it out. And then later on, you could get into podcasting or into blogging. But you want to focus on one particular method when you're just starting out. The thing is, you don't want to try and do everything all at once, because you're going to spread yourself thin. You want to focus on a specific area and maximize your potential in that space. Become the leader in that space. Become an expert in that space so people trust you in that space. And then your audience will be attracted to you. You grow your email list, you start making money, and then you can branch out in a different marketing space. So that's basically it, guys, and we've come to the end of this training. Again, let me summarize. The first step is to find a niche that you're passionate about or one that you're willing to learn about. And if you don't know how to find a niche, check out the link in the description to my market research course, where I show you step by step how to find a niche that you may be passionate about. And even if you're not passionate about it, you are willing to learn about it and in the same time make money from that specific niche. The second step is to create an affiliate sales funnel. And this is a sales funnel that attracts your ideal audience and take them down a direct path to buying the products or services that you are recommending as opposed to being bouncing around all over on a website, or worse, going to your competition. The third step is really to drive traffic to that sales funnel, and I recommend that you focus on your strengths. So if you're good at blogging, then you can start researching how to set up a blog and how to write blog posts that attracts your ideal audience. If you're good at YouTube, focus on how to create YouTube videos that attracts your ideal audience, how to rank your videos, and so on and so forth. So the idea is to focus on your strengths and not your weakness. And you want to stick to one marketing medium when you're just getting started. And later on, after you have maximized your potential in that space, you can branch out to something else. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video guys. If you want a step-by-step plan or step-by-step blueprint on how to go from $0 to $1,000 per month online, check out my free training which is in the description below. And again, thank you so much for watching this video. Hit the like button for me please and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon notification so that you get notified as soon as I create a free training just for you. Thanks again for watching guys. I really do appreciate you and your time. So you do have yourself a wonderful and blessed day, and I'll see you in the next upload.